Wait, what did you want him to do? Special scissors?
Yeah, there's a place where the carpet is.
Over there.
It's against the window.
He's gonna use his carpet scissors.
Oh, yeah, that's
Right down here.
that's the
See it?
seam.
That's
That's a seam.
the seam, and he's using his little carpet scissors. And
The seam
goodbye
going across
seam.
here, I guess. Anywhere else?
Yeah, in the next room.
Oh, you saw it somewhere else
I
too?
saw it in two places.
You can't do that with regular scissors. You've got to have some carpet scissors for that.
Where is it?
Let me see a little spot right there. Oh, look at that. Yep.
And then right there
There's
again.
there's another seam that goes across there.
Yeah.
And that's what the flat part of those scissors are for. You just kind of brush it back and forth and trim it off.
Sweet.
Sweet. I've got some of those.
Get
but-
nice and
Dude.
flush.
Yeah, they're still in my,
Packed away.
yeah, packed.
Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Thank you.
That looks better.
And that is it.
Oh, it looks nice back here. Nice and flat. All through here now.
Yep. Okay. Looks like we're done. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Not quite sure what I'm going to talk about next time just yet, but stick around. I'll find something to show you.